Today we're going to be doing our reading assignment. So what you're going to do is you're going to choose an animal that's interesting to you, and we're going to fill out a KWL chart. This is going to be attached in Google Drive, as well as you could just take a piece of paper, fold it into thirds, and label it KWL. K stands for know. What I know. Anything you know about the animal, this is where you're going to dump all your knowledge. W stands for wonder or want to know. What do I want to know about the animal? What am I going to learn? And L is learn. What did you actually learn about the animal? So what you're going to do is you're going to write down your topic. So I'm going to be doing koalas. So I'm going to write koalas on the top. And I'm going to put my name. And again, you feel free to use this paper or use any paper at home. Just make sure you're telling me your topic and your name. So things that I know about koalas. I know they're marsupials. I know they're not bears. I know they have fur. I know they live in trees. I don't really know a lot about them. What I wonder how many babies they can have at once. I wonder where they live. I wonder what they eat. So that's how you're going to fill out the KWL chart. All I want you to fill out this week is your know and wonder. Do not worry about this learned section. We're going to leave that blank, and at the end of the project, we're going to come back and revisit this and add to our learning. I only put a couple examples. Feel free to write many more. We want you to really think about everything you know, everything you're wondering, making your list of unanswered questions.